Hi everyone, today we have second year BME students with us. So in this discussion, these group of people going to have a detailed discussion on topic called phonocardiography, which is based on design thinking approach. So as all we know that what is meant by phonocardiography, it is a technique where we record or measure the heart sounds, which in turn helps to diagnose the problems which is lies on heart walls or any other heart related problems. So through this discussion, these people going to apply the design thinking approach of different stages to identify or to understand what are the existing challenges which was there in phonocardiography. So let's see the discussion now, and followed by these people also going to give the suggestion and corrective measures. How can we improvise the existing phonocardiography further in future? Yes, we will move on to the discussion right now. Yes, first give a short introduction about yourself, then we will move on to the discussion topic.
Myself, Kotla from second year Biomedical Institute.
Hello, myself Raghunath from second year BME.
Hello, myself Melissa from second year BME.
Hello, this is Mangalamexi from second year Biomedical Engineering. I'm Nishita from Biomedical Engineering second year.
Yes, now I think we will start our discussion. So what is the title of the today topic?
So the title of today's topic is mainly phonocardiography.
Where you are going to apply design thinking approach, right?
Yes.
So it is about DT based phonocardiography. Now we will move on to the discussion now.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
So hello everyone. Today our team will be presenting a phonocardiography using the design thinking approach. So mainly phonocardiography is a technique which records the heart sounds such as S1, S2 murmurs and abnormal vibrations, which may help in diagnosing heart valve disorders and other cardiac conditions. So mainly design thinking is a human-centered approach that focuses on the needs of the patients or the individuals and to develop an innovative idea and the solution of it. So the main 5 stages of our design thinking approach, the first one is empathy, where we understand the user needs and the problem. The second one is define, which is defining the problem and seeking the correct solutions. And next is the ideate, where the ideation of our problem statement and the solution were practically applicable. And finally, prototype and test. So my teammate will explain the empathy process.
Hello everyone, I am here to explain the empathy part of phonocardiography. First, the empathy part mainly focuses on understanding the uses and the problem statement. Now, the main uses of this phonocardiography are cardiologists, general physicians, patients in remote area and the healthcare workers in the rural areas. Those are the people who mainly working with the phonocardiography machine. Now let us see the observation and insights of existing phonocardiography. The traditional stethoscope need based on the doctor's hearing ability. The old phonocardiography machine does not give the exact heart sound in the noisy environment. It is difficult to diagnosing in noisy environment. And in rural areas, the experienced cardiologists are very low, so it is difficult in working with older phonocardiography machines. Now, the outcomes of this empathy are the doctor need a clear and amplified heart sounds, the visualization of heart signals, and portable, easy carryable phonocardiography machines. The patient's needs, they need a early absorption of their diseases and easy to diagnosis, which may useful in phonocardiography machines. Now from this empathy part, we know that the existing phonocardiography machine is not totally user friendly. Now let us see the defined stage of this topic.
Yes, now he clearly said what is the empathy which is being collected from the clinicians and the users, which is nothing but the patients. So the clinicians need the device to guide the treatment, whereas the patient needs the device to cure the disease or the disorder, or to provide the better treatment, right? So these are the two different angles we can connect it from the empathy part. So what could be the problem statement? How we going to address this problem which is stated or which we received from the empathy?
Yes, ma'am. I will say the problem statement, that is defined stage. So how could we design a portable, user-friendly and low-cost phonocardiography?
Bluetooth connectivity, heart sound display in time and frequency domain. A prototype allows real-time heart sound recorder, storage of patient history, remote shared with doctors. For testing, we use healthy volunteers and simulate murmur sound. Feedback was positive, easy to use, clear visualization helped diagnosis, noise reduction improved clearly, and doctors suggest more training data for AI. Improvement based on testing, improved filter algorithm, enhanced AI accuracy, and better sensor placement. Thank you.
To conclude, by applying these design thinking approach, we can understand the problems regarding phonocardiography and to define the human-centric challenges and develop an innovative ideation solution which will be practical and innovative, and also prototype and refine our design. This approach does that technology interlinks between both doctors and the patients in a design thinking approach. Thank you.
Yes, we really had a very good discussion on this topic, and people clearly explained how the design thinking approach is very important, especially to understand the existing methodology drawbacks. There is a challenges. Here we have focused on phonocardiography, right? So clearly explained each and every stage by you people, and followed by you have given a very good solution for that. So according to me, the design thinking approach is something like backbone for all the engineers, because the success for the engineers is not only about bringing innovations or bringing technology. So the success is happened when these technology or the innovations when meet the patient needs or the user needs. That is the demand of the people. That is what the design thinking approaches is all about. So thank you for a wonderful discussion. Once again, thank you.
Thank you.